Your workers' compensation experience modification rating, or your MOD, as I like to call it, it's like a report card for your business safety performance. And understanding how it's calculated and how to manage it can save you a ton of money. Not all businesses qualify for a MOD. In Minnesota, you need to be in business for at least 2 years and pay at least $14,000 in unmodified work comp insurance premium your first year, or pay at least $7,000 per year for work comp for 2 years or more. So if you're not paying at least $7,000 for your work comp insurance, this video really isn't for you. Now, your MOD is a very important component to your work comp insurance premium calculation. Your MOD is a number that reflects a prediction of future claims, and your business is being compared to other businesses in the same industry. Your work comp rating bureau is the one that calculates your MOD every year, and it's based on your previous 3 years of claim activity, audited payroll, and your business class. As for your state's Work Comp Rating Bureau, about 35 states fall under the jurisdiction of the National Council on Compensation Insurance, or the NCCI. Some states have their own rating bureau. So for example, suppose your business is located in Minnesota and you only have employee payroll in Minnesota. In that case, your rating bureau will be the Minnesota Workers' Compensation Insurers Association, or the MWCIA, not the NCCI. As far as what is considered a good MOD versus bad MOD, well, a MOD of 1.0 is considered average, or the same as getting a C in grade school. As more claims occur, your MOD will increase, and your claims will remain on your experience MOD for a period of 3 years before they fall off. It's also important to understand your minimum MOD. Often, your MOD can get down to as low as a 0.6 or 0.7. Achieving your minimum MOD or close to it would equate to like getting an A in school. This should be the goal of every business owner. However, many companies remain unaware of their minimum MOD and have never had someone calculate it for them. If you'd like us to calculate your minimum MOD, just send over a copy of your most recent MOD worksheet that you receive from your rating bureau, and we'll run it through our software and get back to you. Now, if you're in commercial construction and work as a subcontractor, a MOD above a 1.0 can be dangerous. It can put you at a severe disadvantage and have a massive effect on company revenue, because general contractors often require subcontractors to have a MOD of 1.0 or lower to qualify to work on their projects. This is because many general contractors view anything higher than a 1.0 as an unsafe subcontractor, posing an injury or accident risk to not only themselves, but everybody else on the job site. So, general contractors also assume your MOD or safety reflects on the leadership, character, and your company culture. In other words, if you're unable to get something like your workplace safety under control, what kind of quality of work are you going to produce? And will you be able to finish on time and on budget? Suddenly, everything becomes in question. Now, let me go over a few tips on how to lower and effectively manage your experience MOD. First, accurately report your payroll under the correct codes, because a $50,000 work comp claim for a clerical employee is going to cause your MOD to blow up versus a $50,000 claim for a roofing contractor classification. You need to monitor your loss runs and perform an injury analysis every year. I would look at your loss runs at least quarterly. This will alert you to any injury trends, lingering open claims, uncustomary medical expenses, and open reserves that need to be adjusted. Now, the most important thing you can do is to have your risk management program dialed in. Having a well-developed hiring process, an injury prevention and safety program, a new injury response process, utilizing nurse triage, and an effective return to work program are some of the very important elements needed to reduce your MOD. The information on your Experience MOD worksheet can also be used to calculate your minimum MOD and the difference between your current MOD and the minimum MOD, is called your controllable mod. Knowing these numbers will allow you to set realistic goals and then create a plan to get there. If you'd like to have us calculate your minimum mod and controllable mod, please go to jasonjwebb.com/mod. Understanding and controlling the factors that influence your mod are essential. So make sure you enlist the help of an experienced agent or risk manager who specializes in this area to take advantage of all cost-saving opportunities. Now, if you're a business owner or responsible for your company's insurance, ask yourself the following. Have we reviewed our experience mod worksheet and loss runs for accuracy? Do we know our current experience mod, minimum mod, and controllable mod? Do we have a plan in place for reaching our minimum mod? Managing your experience mod starts with understanding the basics. By reviewing your experience mod worksheet, calculating your minimum mod, and having a risk management plan in place, you can lay the groundwork for long-term success and stability. Please remember, as your company grows, you will have more clients, more assets, more employees, and more obligations, which means you're going to have more risk. And therefore, you need to do more than just buy business insurance. You need to add risk management, which is the whole reason why we created Risk-Surance. It's a blend of risk management and business insurance that's designed to make your life easier. So let us know how we can help, and stay safe out there.